Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power sunroof, remote engine start, cruise control, anti-theft security system, four-wheel drive, daytime running lamps, remote keyless entry, tachometer, trailer brake controller. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.